Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel where we share safe real estate investment tips, talk about property law, and share credible real estate investment opportunities here in Nigeria. Basically, every video on this channel is an asset to real estate investors and property buyers. Finally, on this channel, every subscriber is family, a family of millionaire real estate investors. Welcome.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raymond Ijoma and I'm a real estate entrepreneur as well as a property lawyer here in Nigeria. Alright, so in this particular video, I'm going to be discussing with you the most important legal principles that every land buyer must know in order to avoid issues. The most important legal principle that you must know in order to avoid issues whenever you are buying land in Nigeria. You don't have to be a lawyer to watch this video. If you're a lawyer, you should watch this video. But whoever you are, as far as you're interested in real estate transactions, you must make sure you watch this video to the very end. Alright. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe. Turn on the notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I post amazing content like this very one. And of course, drop a comment and reach out to me whenever you have issues. And remember, importantly, that this video is powered by Fortreal Rei Ltd, a real estate company registered here in Nigeria. Alright, let's get right into the conversation. Now, you need to be aware that it is a principle referred to in Latin in law as nemo dat quod non habet. Don't bother yourself about cramming it. Just focus on the explanation I need to give to you right now. That principle says that you cannot give, paraphrasing now, you cannot give what you do not own, or you cannot give what you do not have. If it is not yours, you can't give it. If it is not yours, you cannot give it. It further means that, or by application or bringing it into context, when you are buying land, if the person doesn't own or possess title in that particular land, he or she cannot give it. If a person doesn't have interest, if a person doesn't have ownership, if ownership is not bestowed on a particular individual, he or she cannot sell competently or properly to you. So how do you get to find out about this? Or first, where you find that in the title document is, if you have not seen my video on what title documents are, you want to check out the channel, you'll find that. And when you look at your title document, you will find a part of it after you have introduced the part. There's a part of it that we lawyers refer to as recital. What usually should be in that recital is tracing back to the root title, how the land has moved from party A to B to C to D to E up to you who presently wants to buy. So it's important that there's a trace back to the root of title. And the root of title in simple explanation is, where is the land coming from? Where is the land coming from? So it's important, it's really important that you find your way back to the history. It's not supposed to be a descriptive essay, right? But it basically is just that portion that summarizes or briefly tells you where and how this land has flowed, the pattern, the flow from one person to another. It's important that you have this at the back of your mind. You understand it because remember, I always let you know that civil cases where land transactions fall under as it relates to courts are determined on a preponderance of evidence. So if your evidence is as strong as this and your opponent's evidence is as low as this, you most likely will be winning the case. It's important that you go to any extent to ensure that you strengthen your evidence so that when issues arise 20 years time, you have something strong and formidable that can withstand any issue at the end of the day. All right, so basically that's what I have for you today, and I know that what I just shared with you right now is a lifesaver. Trust me, it is a money saver. Going to court, you realize that a lot of issues are cropped up. A lot of issues come out of this, what I just shared with you right now. And yes, it's important that you like this video because indeed it is value. All right, and do subscribe if you have not subscribed. Remember that this video is brought to you by Fortreal Rei Ltd. We help clients to buy properties and invest in real estate, advise and consult for clients, and generally just solve problems and prevent um, issues as far as relates to real estate transactions. I hope that you can reach out to us through the numbers showing right on your screen. And on that note, I'd like to say bye bye and do enjoy the rest of your day.